Hey guys, this is Jessica from All Star Rentals. I just wanted to take you on a tour of our new updated showroom featuring all of my favorite pieces. So starting with this one, this is the circular banquette. It's a really fun accent piece. As you can see, you can kind of dress it up with any kind of pillows. It fits any setting basically, so that's a really fun piece. My second favorite piece in this back showroom, I was kind of struggling with what would look best in this kind of awkward corner. So I paired it with this nice sectional curved couch. I paired it up with this Orion coffee table just to kind of brighten it up a little bit because the black is kind of dark. And then I also added this palette wall in the back just to kind of give it a little bit more contrast. But with the palette wall, you can also put anything you want on it. So it's just a really fun accent. Next piece is our Orion collection. It has this really unique back-to-back seating. And you can also use the coffee table within like the configuration of it. This is probably a really good option for larger venues or if you want to make the soft seating a focal point of the room itself. So this last piece is our modular bar that has an interchangeable front panel. So kind of like this one, this has the white tuft front panel and then this is our frosted glass. So our frosted glass is pretty cool just because it has the option to do an LED light backlight. Which is great if you're trying to maybe like brighten up a room a little bit more or add some color. But yeah, these are a few of my favorite pieces. So if you have any favorite pieces as well, if you want to comment below.